Sabay-sabay natin alamin ang mga kaganapan na nangyayari sa ating bansa. Yo, what's up mga kaibigan? This is I2K po again. Ngayon nandito naman ulit tayo sa channel ni Banat Kapanig TV. Dito naman ulit tayo magbibigay ng komento at reaction. Kaya samahan nyo ako guys. Let's go!
What are the elements of alarms and scandals?
Alarm and scandal, sir, is defined under Article 155 of the Revised Penal Code. Pardon me, sir, but I'm not a lawyer. But sir, that article punishes actions of anybody that may cause general alarm in the community, like tumultuous affray and many other that may strike fear on people and that may strike also undue alarm.
And who advised you that case will be filed against Willie Gonzales?
We look at the circumstances within the video, and we deem it we have contemplated and examined it, and based on our assessment that alarm and scandal can indeed be filed against Willie Gonzales, even
Aside
without.
from alarms and scandal, what other recommendations do you have in mind, General Torre?
If only we can convince the cyclist to file a case of
Aside from criminal cases defined by the Revised Penal Code, any other recommendation do you have in mind, General Torre?
against Willie Gonzales, sir, is of course on his
What about recommendation for crafting, amending existing laws so that there could be stable peace in the Philippine streets, as they said?
as a moment, sir, I may need additional time to think it over. And
So the suggestion from your one of the officers of QCPD or from lawyers only suggest a criminal case be filed against Willie Gonzales, but there is no advice as to what recommendations do you have in mind so that you can help in the future to avoid these incidents like this.
we have not yet. I have not yet thought about it. Your suggestion, I'll think about it, sir.
Okay.
And
You have
Nawala na.
behavior of criminally minded people. So, in your own
Putol-putol kasi yung mga boss nila dito mga kaibigan. No, sayang.
opinion, what do you think? Is this Willie Gonzales psychologically fit or not?
based on this demeanor, sir, Mr. Gonzales is, I think, 63 years old during this time. And based on this demeanor that afternoon when he came to me, well, I find no marked reason to actually suspect him of anything. And with his possession of a valid LTAP and PTC4, I would submit to the examination of the authorities that he had passed the requirements, the documentary requirements, to be able
Okay,
to own
next
and
question,
possess this,
General Torre. Do you recommend the revocation or cancellation of the LTAF or the license to own a gun with regard to this Willie Gonzales?
Sir, we actually did recommend to General Kenneth Lucas of the FEO. I personally called him for the revocation of the LTAP, sir.
Okay, you recommended for the revocation of the LTAF of this Willie Gonzales. What is your ground?
Obviously, sir, what he did based on the video is a blatant violation of the requirement, the conditions set forth to all gun holders that it shall only be used for legal purposes. And I don't see a legal ground for him to draw his firearm in that situation, sir.
So, may tupak si Willie Gonzales psychologically.
Based on the video, sir, I can say, sir, that he is really out of line
Thank
at
you,
that moment.
General Torre. Hopefully, the PNP can recommend this committee for crafting or amending the existing laws. Huwag nyo kaming bigyan dito ng kaso-kaso lang. Kasi yung kaso-kaso, alam nyo naman, ang penalty ng grave threat, ang penalty ng reckless imprudence, mababa yan. Arresto mayor, I think that's 30 days and 1 day to 6 months. Ibig sabihin, subject yan sa mandatory conciliation. Lupong tagapagmayapa, idaan mo pa yan sa barangay. Oh, so talagang mahirap yan. So titingnan natin kung may kaso-kaso dyan, probably they will scot-free again and again.
Yes, sir.
So ang
Agree, sir.
gagawin natin dito, you make recommendations, study any
Dapat tanggalan ng konto, mga kaibigan, suspension.
for future purposes, recommendations, kung ano ang dapat karapat-dapat nating gawin sa problema na ganito. One, yung road rage na yan. Yung may dalang barel, hindi lalabas ng barel, kagaya ni Willie Gonzales, kung hindi siya psychologically, wala siyang problema psychologically. May problema ang taong iyan.
Agree, sir.
Sigurado tayo dyan. Now, if the penalty is very low, still, madami pa rin kagaya ni Willie Gonzales na gagawa ng road rage incident na ganyan. So, taking a clue from our Chairman Fernandez, I think you have to submit, including the NAPOLCOM, for the amendments of the existing law, or if there is a need to craft another law, then you suggest. Kasi kayo naman ang may datos kung ano ang nangyayari sa lugar o area of jurisdiction ninyo. Ilang road rage incident ang nangyayari araw-araw. Kasi kung wala si vlogger, sino ba yung vlogger nito? Yung vlogger, kung wala siya, wala din ito. Walang dadampot sa problemang ito, because this is usual and this is a normal case in the Philippines.
Buti na lang talaga, mga kaibigan, may nauso na yung mga ganyan, mga camera. Kasi kung hindi na videoan yun, mga kaibigan, malamang lalala to sitwasyon na to. Hindi lang ito ang kayang gawin ni Kalbo. Ano? Nilabas niya pa talaga eh. Tapos sinilahilan niya pa yung bike eh. Kala mo ko talagang siga eh.
Streets. Nang
Parang pinagmayabang niya pa yung baril niya, kinasan niya pa eh.
nangyari lang, nadampot ng isang vlogger, naging viral, kaya nagiging subject for NAW legislation, naging subject ng committee na ito. So, in the near future, Sir General Torre, hopefully, you cannot commit the same lapse again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Thank you very much. At one question, Attorney Fortune, you are representing for whom?
I don't represent anybody. Actually, I'm doing this as a private citizen. Wala po akong kikitain
So
dito.
you are not representing Willie Gonzales?
He has refused my representation even up to today, Mr. Chairman.
Gonzales, Bantalan.
Hindi, Bandiola.
Bandiola,
No.
yes.
I have reached out to him so many times. I've offered my services for free. I even said that kung meron ako makukuhang attorney's fees dito, bibigay ko sa kanya.
Natatakot si Bandiola? Anong tingin mo? Bakit the services, like the legal services of Fortune, dinideny niya?
Nalulungkot po ako. Hindi ko siguro ako magaling na abogado eh.
Baka gusto niya yung ibang lawyers na at any rate. So I was thinking that you are representing Willie Gonzales. It's the other way around.
That's correct, Mr. Chairman. I actually represent the cycling community. As the moderator of the Pinoy Road Bikers, it is the largest cycling forum in the Philippines with 86,600 plus members. And
So-
we are all outraged by this. We don't want this to happen to any of us.
Yeah, exactly. Kahit naman tayo, galit tayo dyan kasi it is not a common incident, but it is a psychological problem of drivers committing this road rage problem na ganyan, ang tawag niyan. At
That's
any rate, Mr. Fortune, Attorney Fortune,
Yes, Mr.
when
Chair.
your manifestation or your statement just earlier, you mentioned about crafting laws
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
and at any rate, in any manner, amending existing laws.
That's correct, Mr. Chairman.
Oh, sinabi mo kanina, you are willing to work with Bandiola pro bono.
Definitely, Mr. Chairman.
Can you work with us pro bono
Yes, Mr.
in
Chairman.
crafting new laws?
I
And
will
at the
help
same
you,
time,
Mr. Chairman.
thank you very much. I'll contact with you, Attorney Fortune.
Thank you. I will expect it, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you so much, Attorney Fortune. Would you agree with me? Ano? Kasi yung anak ko, si board member Dancel Fernandez, cyclist din siya, member din siya ng organization. And basically, siya yung nagsabi sa akin ng issue na yan. And when he mentioned me about this issue, I was a bit aghast. Ano to, ba't na mayroong ganito? So I was able to watch the video. And considering the outcome of all the thing that has transpired, would you consider this as a people's victory? Kasi we can say that after all the comments and the outburst of the damdamin, feeling of all this citizenry, we were able to revoke the LTO. We were able to yung car registration, it was suspended, I think. And at the same time, kaya na nga, si General Torre, who happens, and unfortunately, nangyari yung incident yun, he resigned from his position. And the action that was taken by you with this video trigger all of these things. So Can you, Samos, state this on this committee that it is a people's victory? Dahil nga yung participation nila doon sa governance ng ating gobyerno, ay kitang-kita natin yung kanilang partisipasyon.
Mr. Chairman, I recognize really the efforts made by the people to bring this matter to the attention of all the authorities. In a way, the people's participation were very instrumental in for us to be here right now. But I cannot consider it as a victory. Parang second quarter lang eh. No? Sa basketball po, fourth quarter, doon malalaman natin kung sino yung nandun mas maraming punto sa dulo, sila yung panalo. Huwag na po natin isipin yung Philippines versus Angola. No, in all sincerity, this thing happened because there appears to be a failure on the part of existing laws to protect the citizenry.
At yun nga po mga kaibigan, dito po nagtatapos ang ating reaction video. Muli ako po si I2K ng Sundalo ng Tunggalo at 811. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta. Yeah, peace out.